Model, 67-plate Ssangyong Musso 2.2 E-XDI X 4-wheel drive, auto spares OR repairs open mouth smile ultra low miles ULEZ compliant bargain grin trader margin open mouth smile. Body, red 4x4. Mileage, 55,867. Engine, 2,157 cc D2 DTF. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered, automatic gearbox is all good, turbo needs replacing. Engine sounds all good on compression open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Perfect for export grin. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.